Okay, so we'll start the class. Okay, so good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
So,
brother.
yeah, good evening. So, how was your day? Today's
Brother.
Children's Day, right? Did everyone celebrate Children's Day in their schools?
Yes,
Yeah,
brother.
brother.
Yes,
Yeah,
brother.
how was it?
Nice,
It's
brother.
very nice
Okay,
and interesting.
it was nice.
Yes,
Okay,
brother.
okay, yeah. So, now we'll just go ahead with our topics. So before that, we all know that we completed our level 2 course. I mean, all the topics we have covered, and we also conducted a quiz in the last class, right? Uh, so now, next, as you know, some of you will be going to the next level, that is level 3. But this level 2, level 3 Python are just for learning. And in our group, we have a main goal. Okay, that is currently we have one goal, that is like creating an application, an AI. Do you remember what we did in last workshop?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, right. So does anyone know what we told or what we said we will do? Does anyone remember? Yeah, we said to we told that we will make an AI, right? We'll build an AI application,
Yeah.
and we described what the application will be like. So we'll create that finally after all of you have learned Python well enough to create an application. But till that, we will be learning. And if you are creating right now, like we can like each person can do according to what we know. So if you know only level 2 Python, so the part of the application where those things like lists and those things are required, according to our knowledge level, we can do it. We can divide it. All right. So for level 3, those who are going for level 3, I haven't yet confirmed it whether Harsha sir is the one who was taking level 3 for us. So I haven't confirmed whether Harsha sir will be taking or we will be taking in our group itself. So once I confirm that, I will also tell who and all are the members who are going to that level. Uh, so yeah, some of you might have not been like what do you say passed for that quiz, but it's all right. Uh, we still the level 3 students, those who are passed, we can go like I will say tell the names in like a few days. I have to still clarify it. So after that, yeah, I'll let you know. So it's already even if some of you didn't were not able to like go to the next level because if you didn't get clarity in the current topics, even if you didn't get clarity, it is better that after getting full clarity of what and all topics we have now, it's better to go to the next level only if you like have full clarity because the next levels are like a bit more difficult and might require deeper understanding. So are there anyone who like still wants to continue level 2? I mean, like if you still didn't understand some topics and you still want to learn it once more, are there anyone? Like if you didn't understand the topic and if you need more clarity, are there anyone willing to stay like that? One more thing, these levels are not like level 3 is bigger, it's much more advanced. The thing is that each level has their own topics. So if you want to learn more about the topics in one level, you can still stay there or learn once more. So you can still do that. No one? Okay, okay. So yeah, we'll see. In a few days, I'll let you know about who's going to the next level. Now, uh, so you've been learning Python, right? So what is your opinion on it? Like, Do you want to continue Python or do you want to learn other skills?
Brother, continue it.
Continue it, okay. I want everyone's opinion. One by one can even go.
Continue it, brother.
Continue,
Okay.
brother.
Continue, brother.
Continue it.
Okay.
Continue, brother.
Continue,
Yeah.
brother.
Continue.
Okay. So everyone wants to continue. That's good. Some might find Python difficult, but it's all right. It is actually very useful. And you will find Python when you go to your higher studies, like first PUC, second PUC. If you go there, you will find Python there too. So you learn much deeper there. So it will be very useful. And also, even these AIs are made from Python. So later on, you'll learn how to do that also. So yeah, it's a good thing. All right. So now, for now, I thought that since we completed the level 2 and we completed the quiz also, I thought maybe we'll do a small project. All right. Uh, so the way it is that each of you will be separated into teams. The teams will be led by Vaiga now. So each of you can make a single project. So for now, Vaiga, can you read the teams?
Yes. So the teams for our mini project will be like this. Amaresh and Aaron. Are you both here? Oh, okay. Aaron is here and
Yeah.
Amaresh. I think Amaresh is not in the group. Sorry, in the meeting right now. No, Amaresh is not here. Mm, Kenneth.
Yes.
Like,
Amaresh attends, like, why didn't he come today? Does anyone know?
Yeah, I know.
What happened?
Uh, I I think he is going to another class, another coaching. I think.
Okay, tuition or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, wouldn't he be able to attend any Friday classes or only this class?
I don't know about that.
Okay, we will ask that later.
Okay, but
Okay. So Vaiga, for now, just let it be. Go with the next teams.
okay. So Amaresh and Aaron, then Charvi and Dhruti came. They both are in the meeting right now. Then Dhruti, MJ, and Kampu, even they are present. And Unnati, Tejashri, and Mary Theresa. Unnati is here, Tejashri is here, Mary Theresa is not in the class. And then Hitesh Kumar, Leo Jason is one team, and Nutan HR and Sohan Kumar. We'll share this name list in the group also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So that will be the teams. We have Aaron left. We'll see about that. If Amaresh is attending and if he's able to come, then you can contact him. All right, Aaron, you can like just send a message to him whether he's interested in it. Is that okay?
Yes, brother.
Oh yeah, okay. So now that you know your groups and you know your partners, so you can go forward and like you can create a project within 1 week time. Uh, so this project is like based on the level 2 topics that you have learned. So it's all right. You don't have to do it like so different or a new thing. You have to add new things. It's okay if even if it's any like basic things, but still with all the topics of the level 2, not all. I'll tell it to you. So each of you can create a project. So that project can be an application, a game, or anything, a small text-based game or something like that. Yes, Tejasvi?
Like project means how it will be like.
Yeah, that's what I will explain it to you. So it's like
Okay.
a small, it doesn't have to be like an application or anything, but a small, like, what do you say? Uh, Anything like a small text-based game. So like using if and else statements. Or you can make something that does a small task, like if you, what do you say, a small calculator with all the, what do you say, operators or anything like that. That is useful. Useful or something that does something. So in that way, with the level two topics that you learned, so at least the project must contain at least three of the topics that you've learned. So you know the topics, right? What and all we learned. Also, I'll
Yeah,
send the topics in the I'll send the topics in the group also so that you can have a reference. So in minimum any three of the topics must be included so that you'll get a much more deeper understanding. All right.
brother, can you say the example of the project? Means in only in Python or other apps also you can create.
Other apps, what do you mean by other apps?
Like MIT Inventor.
MIT, okay. So we're just creating a project based on like what are level two topics that we learned. So we can't include Python into a level MIT, right? If
Yeah,
you can, if you found a new way, then you can do it. But at least minimum of three topics from what and all we learned in level two. So that is what is important. So other things you can build whatever you want around it. So is that okay?
yeah, brother.
Yeah. So I think most of you have worked on these kind of projects before. Like in WeJump, we had many other such project, group-based project, and also many of you might have worked on it. But if you never worked on it, it's all right. You can still learn from your teammates. Most of you might have worked on it. It's a simple thing, right? You can make like a simple code. Like what do you say? Something like which helps you in max. I don't like something like that, similar to that, or something like it tracks your expenses or tracks your daily habits, something like that. So it's using simple things like basic things like lists, if and else. With those things, you can create some of those projects. So any doubts on that?
No, brother.
No, brother.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
brother.
So by next week, we can complete this project, right? So you have 1 week of time. If you want now, you can discuss about it of what we need to create. Or if you have any ideas, uh, you can do that also. So, uh, do you want help with the ideas?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Okay. So right now, I don't think like if I give all the ideas myself, then I can it won't be that innovative, So it's all right.
Brother will think of something.
Yeah, that's good. So if you want, like Vaiga has a, okay, yeah, she has a code, an example. So can you show it to them, please, Vaiga?
Yes, 1 minute, I'll just share my screen.
Take your time. It's okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
No, sister.
Not yet.
No, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Okay.
Yes, sister.
Better you don't look at the code, okay? Because you can understand it is actually not my code. It's just to give you a small sample, like what you can do. So I have two sample codes here, okay? So this looks pretty dangerous. Okay. So I'll just run the code and you'll understand what it has. It's like if you look at the first code, it's simply having a lot of if else statements and all. And then in the second code here, it's like having while loop, if else statement, and also score. So these things actually we have not learned, but the output, when I show you the output, you'll get an idea like what kind of codes, like projects you have to do. Okay. So the first code, I'll run it. Just notice the output. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Wait. Hmm. Why didn't it? At the last moment there will be some trouble with my. Okay. So here, first when I run the code, it's asking me to enter the weather. So simply, I'll type rainy. I'm writing rosy. And do you plan to go outside? So yes, this is a very simple code. It's asking me to wear normal clothes. Actually, I should wear a raincoat, but it didn't say me, so there is some problem with the code. Let's go with the second code. Okay, that will be pretty good. It's like a mini quiz. Okay, Charvi, you can say.
what is it slash in recommended outfit?
Yeah, that's what. The code, like we have not learned this stuff in our class. Actually, even I don't know. At the last moment, I just wanted to give you a sample, like what kind of projects you have to do, because you'll be having a doubt, right? Like in what ways we have to do the project. So simply, I just took it from the chat GPT. Actually, I didn't type this code, but when you look at the output, it's very simple. So from the topics we have learned, also we can create this kind of output. Did you understand?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, it's just an idea. And not only like this might look bit more boring, but you can do your codes even more nice and funnier. Okay, and also like try to think of the real life situation. Then you might get a lot of examples. And it doesn't have to be so lengthy code. Even if it is short, if it's nice and meaningful, that will be very good. We just have to know if you have at least a small idea about Python. Okay. I am just running the second code. So first it's asking me to enter my name. Now it will give me some quiz question. The second code is related to some kind of quiz questions. So I entered my name and I don't know this answer. Actually, somebody have to help me. What is the capital of India? Actually, I answered this question and at the end I got just 1 mark. I don't know what mistake I did. So anybody just say the answer for this.
New
Delhi.
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 Yeah, but it told it is wrong. If it
Sister, I
tells
think
it's
it's
correct,
New Delhi.
New Delhi. Let's
Yeah.
see. Mm,
Any
but
chapter.
in the code itself, there will be the answer, I think. Okay, New Delhi. And then, okay, how many states are there in India?
28.
28.
28.
Even I typed the same thing.
8.
Let's see what it will give. Okay, second thing. What is 5 plus 3?
8.
8.
Okay. My final score is 2, it seems. The player is Vaiga. And see, let's see what is mistake. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is a wrong answer, it seems. I don't know. Wait, we'll. How many states are there in India? 28. That is correct. And 5 plus 3 is also correct. So, capital of India is New Delhi itself. I think there is again some problem with this code. And
I
the
think it is
funny, what?
like Delhi.
I'll just type Delhi then. Even I'm not able to understand this code written here. Maybe Kenneth can understand, but what is the capital of India? DLJ. Spelling of Delhi is correct. Right? Okay. It doesn't have to be correct. Okay. I'm just showing this to give you an idea. After that,
Showing wrong again.
Yeah, it is showing wrong. Hey, okay, this much is enough. Like, anyways, you all got an idea, like how you have to do a project, right? Now,
Maybe
everybody
use
don't
small
know.
letter D there.
Oh,
Try
okay.
using small letter D.
Mm, sure. Mm, mm.
Yeah, I got full marks.
Yeah.
Oh
Hehe.
my God. Everybody, see, Kenas is the topper of the class. Give applause. Okay, so that's it. Now, see, just because you saw this code, don't go and do the quiz thing. Okay, everybody, just try to do something different. I just wanted to show how simple code project you can do. Okay, now I'll just stop sharing. Hmm, that's it.
Yeah, so I hope you got some idea from what Vaiga showed there. So don't do the same thing like don't go to ChatGPT and take a random code. That was just to show you an example, so that you guys can understand. All right. So you can discuss with your partner, your team, the partner in your team. Then you can come up with a topic which you both are okay with, and then you both can like contribute equal parts for the code, so that you both must like play a part in the creating the code, all right? Only one person creates the code, the other just sits there and watch, not like that. Both must take part in that, and then you can create the project. So you can like, ask them personally, and you can do that like in personal chats. You can go to direct, you can ask them in direct messages. So in that way you can. And for your information, that backward slash n meant new line. All right. So you don't have to be confused. So if you see, that was just in a print statement, right? There are a lot of things that we still haven't learned. So there are things that are deep into it. It's not difficult, but it's just there are a lot of new things there. It's not difficult. I'm not telling that it's difficult, like uh, and difficult piece of code, complex things, not like that. It's just parts that we missed out in most of the class. We like learn generalized form, right? So there are small, tiny parts that we still didn't go. So that thing, yeah, I guess we will learn that. That is necessary for like, what do you say? For the upcoming, since we are creating a project for our whole group. So this small things and this teamwork that you're going to learn from now is very important. All right. So just for brainstorming now, so that everyone can get creative ideas. So each of you can tell your own idea so that others can like uh, be more creative. All right. So you can think for a few minutes, then you can tell what you have as an idea. Then later, you don't have to do the same idea, or you can just discuss with your partner later and then come up with a final topic. All right. For now, it's just like so others, everyone can get a topic or an idea in general. Right. Anything is okay. Okay. For now, we'll just wait for a few minutes. You can think of an idea. Like Vaiga showed two codes. So similar to that, you can think of anything. It doesn't have to be like even if it's not possible to make it, any kind of ideas is okay. So yeah, 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I guess the time is enough now. Yeah. So yeah, one by one can go by sharing your ideas. Who'll go first? Or shall I choose by random? What's good with you is okay. It doesn't have to be like perfect ideas or anything, but yeah, anything that you feel like, ah, yeah, Sohan.
AI budget manager.
Sorry,
AI budget manager.
AI budget manager. Okay, yeah, that's smart. Anyone else?
I thought student grade ranks.
Okay, so ranking system that is automized. Okay, good one. Others?
Brother,
Yes,
I think
Chavi.
game.
Just 1 second, Hitesh. Chavi is raising hands. Yeah.
Well, I have two ideas. One is Hangman. It is a game where a person or a user who is using it has to the program is going to give underscores or dashes for like 5 letter word, and the user has to like keep guessing until they get the word. They have 7 tries, and if they don't guess the word within 7 tries, they lose the game. And one more is number guessing. So uh, the program will just think of a random number, and the user or like we have to like keep guessing until we get it right.
Okay, so you thought of two different games that we usually play, but in a computerized way. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so yes, Hitesh.
Yeah, brother, I think one a game like a treasure hunt. We have 9 boxes. For one, in that 9 box, we have to hide one treasure in one box. If a player have 3 chances to find out where the treasure, if a player choose a wrong box, he have got some questions like mathematics. What in that what means if it gives a problems. If we solve means we have got a correct box, like a number. We have 9 box means if we solve a mathematics problem, we got an answer. From that, we will choose where the treasure like that.
Okay, yeah. So you brought in a really fun game. So yeah, it might need some visual things, but still you can do it in Python. If you want, I'll tell you how. Like, if you want, you can like create multiple lists. All right. So this list can be boxes, empty
Yeah,
list.
yeah,
Okay.
brother.
Yeah. So this empty list can be boxes, and in one of the lists we can keep the word treasure. So in that way, also we can do it. So any kind of game, we can like implement it in Python also. Okay,
Yeah,
anyone
if
else?
the player
Yeah.
choose an empty box means not an treasure box, for
Yes,
that
yes.
it give an problem like.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, good idea, Hitesh. All right. Yes, anyone next?
Like, brother, I thought to do like a simple calculator with just choose addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Okay, a simple calculator. Yeah, why don't you take it to the next step? Why make it simple? You can make it complex, right? I mean, complex means tell how much you know. You can like exponents and what else? Floor division. If you know those. Do you know
We
floor
can
division?
like
Yeah,
divisions with decimals and percentage
yeah,
terms.
exactly. So you can do that also, right? So not a simple calculator, not a scientific calculator, calculator. Good. Okay, yeah. So who's next? Hmm, is anyone left? Sohan, did you? I guess you didn't. Sohan.
First to do.
Okay, so like, did you think of any ideas for the project? I mean, it
No, I
doesn't.
did.
You didn't.
I
You did
did.
it. Okay, yeah. So what is your idea?
Budget manager.
Project manager.
Budget manager.
Budget. Okay, okay, yeah. So finance manager. Yeah. That is also good. Even last time, when I was in a different team, I created a similar or almost same kind of a project. It was like what is expense tracker. So it like calculates the expense. Those things. Okay, that is also a good idea. Okay, who's next? Leo.
Brother.
Yeah, did you think of any?
No, brother.
No,
Not.
okay, it's all right. Yeah. Aaron.
Brother, I have thought of making a study guide so we can plan according to that. So at what time we should wake up and our studies, getting ready, going to school, and our daily routine we can plan with it.
Okay, yeah, that is also very good. Like study planner. Okay, so you can like create uh one example and or an idea for you is like you can create a list of like subjects you need to study. And just a second, Dhruti, I'll just complete with that. So subjects you need to complete or study. So you can put all the subjects. So if you studied a subject, you can remove it from that subject list and show what and all subjects are left to study or something like that. So in the same way, you can add different features to it. Yeah, that is also very good. Okay, what's Dhruti K, right? You raise your hand, right?
Yes, brother. Like,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. So we have to do
Sorry, you're not audible now. Can you repeat it?
and like lucky number. That's good. Uh, we planned like to do list and lucky number guessing. Two games type.
Two games. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can.
Yeah. Yeah, like a to-do list and list. It reminds us to do what all things we have to do at a day. Like that. A routine helper.
Okay, yeah. So like a reminder of things that we need to task. What is that? What do you call that? Task or reminder. What is that? Even I forgot. Yeah. That is also a good thing. So it reminds of
To-do
what and
list.
all. Yeah, to-do list. Yeah, exactly. So that is also a really good thing. You can use the same logic I told to Aaron, like create a list and in that we need to check whether the thing is there and if it's not done then it will print what and all we should do. Yeah, you can use the same logic. That is also a good one. Yeah.
Thank
So who's left? Yeah, okay. Anyone left? Amaresh said, right? Amaresh. Amaresh, am I audible?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, you said right or
Brother, I just joined now, brother.
okay, you just joined now. So discussing about the project, all right? So we're gonna create a group project.
Okay, brother.
Okay. So Aaron and Amaresh, oh yeah. So Amaresh is joined now. Oh yeah. So your team partner was Aaron. Okay. Uh, so the thing is that you guys are going to create a project based on whatever you have learned on what is in Python level 2, what and all you learned in the previous course that we completed. All right. So you can include like three or more topics, and then you can make a small project based on that. All right. So have you heard about the topics that others told, or did you just join now?
Brother,
How recent did you join? Did you just join now or a few minutes ago?
7:42.
7:42. What's the time now? It's 7:46. Okay. So did you hear the few of the ideas that others shared?
No, brother.
Okay, you didn't hear. So they just told a few ideas that came into their mind. So I just said in a similar way, um, you got to create a project on your own ideas. You can discuss it with Aaron. He will explain in detail. And if you need any example code, you can ask Vaiga. She'll send you some example codes so that you can know how it is to be done. Is that okay?
Okay, brother.
Yeah, okay. So now I hope each of you got an idea of how the project must be, right? So each of you told different kind of ideas. The reason why I asked this is because if someone said one idea, the others they might get four or five ideas just like that, similar to that extra idea, right? So I just asked for that. All right. So that was all I had to discuss right now. It was mostly about this project and what we're going to do next. All right. So before finishing, I thought I'll explain about the different things that are not that you've not learned. What do you say in a previous class? A small, yeah, like just for you to know, so that it can help you in the project. So Vaiga, can you like show the code?
The code we just demonstrated, that one.
Yeah, yeah, that one. Yeah.
You can see my screen, right? Everybody.
Yeah, sister.
Sister.
Okay, wait a minute. So this is the sample code. I'll just show this once more. I have two codes here. First, I'll run the first code. Okay, it's very simple, and then we'll try the second code. So this code simply just ask for the weather, and it will simply suggest like what outfit like we have to wear. Okay. So right now, when I just run the code, it's asking me to enter the weather, and let's. Right now it's cold, so I'll just enter cold. And you plan to go outside? Yes. That time, okay, it's asking me to wear normal clothes. We'll just run the code once more. Mm, mm, do you plan to go outside? Yes. Hey, it's just asking me to wear normal clothes. I think there's some problem with the code. We just run it once more. Cool. Uh, okay, so everybody just wear your normal clothes and sit in your home itself. Don't go out. That's what this code is suggesting us. So, yeah, this is just nothing. We'll just run the second code and then you will get an idea like what you have to actually do. So, this is something like a small quiz. It'll ask you some questions and finally it'll calculate the score and give you. It's simply right now this code is having just three questions and very simple question. And okay, we'll just run the code. Whose name shall I give right now? Because if I give my name, I get score as one. Hmm, Anybody? Who came to the class just now? Somebody. Somebody.
Amaresh.
Where is Amaresh? Amaresh, are you here? I think he's a bit nervous to attend the quiz. Okay, anybody else? Everybody else already saw the answers. So simply I will put Amaresh's name itself. Uh, this is, I don't know what is wrong with this. Okay, Ken has already solved the problem, right? Okay. And then how many states are in India? 28. So what happened was when I just run the code, it asked me to first enter the name and then asked me three questions. I answered all of those questions and finally it will give me the score. So right now all these answers are correct. So we'll just give a wrong answer for this and we will see what will be the result. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, let's give 10. Then I should get score as 1. Oh, sorry, Amaresh. What? Delhi. Actually, Delhi must be correct, right? Previous time when we entered Delhi like this, we got
You put
correct
a space in the end, that's why.
here.
No, after Delhi.
Oh my god. Wait. Amaresh. Correct. Hmm. So now almost all the answers are correct. So once again, can us solve our problem? So first question is correct. Second question is correct. So we already have 2 points. Now if I write 8, if I type 8, we'll get 3 points. Sorry, yeah, 3 points. So let me just type 9, and I think it'll give me 2 points as the score. Yeah. So that's how this code worked. It was a very good code actually. And this code looks a bit complicated, but from our simple codes also you can get this kind of output.
Yeah,
So
let's figure out what's complicated there. Okay.
okay,
Um, Now, what part haven't we not yet learned?
we have not yet learned these kind of things. We learn break, and I think these it means I
Break.
is 1 plus I, right?
Yeah, I is equal to I plus 1. Yeah, that's how it works.
What do you mean by lower? If
Sorry?
user dot lower.
Lower, that means it's going to convert all the strings into lowercase. Uh, can you go a bit up? I think you didn't use that for Delhi, that's why.
Where is it? It's
Uh,
here. It is meant. Wait a minute. Now can you see the entire code? If I make it still smaller, it will be difficult. Are you able to see?
yep. Okay, so user dot lower there, it's for like converting all the string into lowercase letters. It was supposed to do that there, uh, even for the Delhi part. So I guess it didn't work out there. Yeah, but generally that is used for converting the string into lower case. You know what lowercase is, right? All uppercase characters converted into lowercase characters. So that's how that dot lower function. It's a function, all right? So that's where you use it. And I plus or plus equal to 1, does everybody know about it?
Yes,
Is there
brother.
anyone? Is there anyone who doesn't know about it? No one, right?
Brother, I don't know.
You don't,
I
okay. So I plus or equal to 1 is just similar to I is equal to I plus 1. So what is I there? Can you find out what I is? 0, right? Yeah.
Zero.
Yeah, if you see in the there is no lines. Why can you like change the settings to show the number of lines? Just go to the settings there on the top right next to share.
Okay, okay, wait.
Yep.
You mean this?
Yeah.
This?
No, the settings one.
Um,
Yeah, and somewhere you must find, I guess, the editor. Down line number. Yeah, show line numbers.
I'm not able to see it. Where is it?
Second one. Checkbox.
Ah, here. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Save. Yeah, it'll be useful for explanation because you got to point it out, right? So in the 12th line, you can see that the variable I is defined as 0. And now, if you see in the 24th line, I plus or equal to 1, it means that it's going to add 1 to I. Basic terms, you can like learn it like that. It's going to add 1 to I. You can also use I minus equal to 1. It subtracts 1 for I. You can also multiply, divide. You can do any functions there. So one way of doing it, or one way of understanding it is that you learn it as I is equal to I plus 1. All right. So that is one way of what do you say, understanding. That's how it actually works. So what is I plus 1 here? Here I is 0 and I plus 1 is 1.
one.
So this value of 1 is I. So I is pointing to 1 now. So that is how it works, all right? That is for deeper understanding. But generally, if you want to know now, you can just understand it as I adds 1 to I. All right. Any other part that we missed out? Continue on break, we know. Dot lower, I just explained. All right. Okay, Len. We didn't study about Len, right? Did we study about Len?
Yes,
Yeah,
brother.
yes, brother.
Okay,
We
yeah. So
studied.
we did study about Len. Okay, good. Anything else? Can you scroll down a bit, Vaigo? Okay, all the things are known by us. So we'll go to the previous. Uh, yeah, that one. Okay. So what did we not learn here? We know about sets here. Know about sets and if for basic if for else. Yeah, we didn't learn about the slash and right? Slash and yeah.
No,
So
brother.
yeah, it's not slash and it's backward slash and okay.
Space.
Yeah, it is not space, it's a different thing. I'll explain it to you. So, Vaya, can you open a new code? There itself, below. So add a print statement, and inside that, type hello, and backward slash n, starts from new line. Anything, you can put anything.
Okay, so my mic was not on. Should I type it directly here?
Yeah, there itself.
What?
Anything like this is a new line, something like that. Yeah, now just execute it.
Oh.
So what is just remove the space, it's all right. Yeah, now try it. Yeah, so as you can see, this one started from a new line. All right. So hello, although we did this in a single line, it continued here to the next line. So this backward slash n just generally means new line. So it is pretty simple. So you can use it, what do you say, in between the line like this. You don't have to use commas or anything. If you use backward slash n, it's going to print a new line. Get that?
Yes, brother.
Yeah. So actually, there are a lot of things that different things that we can learn. Uh, we did miss it out on the level two. So maybe right now I'll just go around it quickly. So Vaiga, can you type? I'll just clear that. Yeah, okay, it's enough. Yeah. So x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. Print y. Yeah. So what will be the answer here? Can anyone guess? Before executing it, wait. Can
2.
anyone guess?
I
2.
think
Okay.
2.
1
2.
comma 1
1
comma
comma 2. Okay.
2.
Any other answers?
2.
2. Okay. Yeah, we'll see the answer. Yep. The answer is 2. You are right. Because it goes like x is 1 is x is pointing to 1 and y is pointing to 2. So that's how you can add many number of variables as you want. You can go on. So in that way, you can add multiple variables. It can be useful if you don't know if you want to don't want to add multiple lines. And also, you can print it the same way. You know how to print an integer and a string, right? Do you know how to do that?
brother together or separately?
Together in a
No,
single print statement.
no,
No.
brother.
No, no. All right. Yeah, we'll just do that quickly. So a new one, please. Okay, this time print and what do you say? I study in string with inside the double inverted commas. I study in class and of no, don't need the 11. Just stop it at class. Yeah. And outside the double inverted commas, add a comma and write uh, 11. Yeah. So now what will be printed?
I study in class 11.
Yeah. Okay. Any other answers?
Brother, it
I
asks
study in
I
class.
study in class. If we give 11, it's a correct answer like that.
Okay. Yeah. We'll see that. Okay. Can you run that? Yeah, it printed I study in class 11. So Hitesh, I got what you were thinking. So you thought that this one was the answer for it, right? But actually, it is not the answer. It's like um what do you say? It's this whole is a print statement, all right? So this whole is encased inside a print statement. So whatever is inside it, it will print. So this one, the print statement can accept any values, integer, float. You know the data types, right? Integer, float, what else, boolean, anything.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, and strings, characters. We can accept all. So we added a string, we added an integer, and also you can keep on adding after by if you separate it by commas. You gotta separate by commas. So Vaiga, can you like add a float value also, like 12.2? Just add a comma and 12.2. 12.2. And what else data types do we have?
Brother Boolean.
Boolean. Okay, you can do that. And also you can add a character. True. Capital of true. Only the T is capital. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, all kinds of data types can be printed. And if you have noticed, even though we didn't give any space here, or we didn't give any space here, it automatically printed space between each of the, wherever we added commas, it added space there. So this is how Python separates the print value, right? So you can input whatever you want, and you can print, what do you say, whatever data type you want, and so you can separate it by commas. So you can add as much data types or as much values as you want here.
Brother,
Yeah.
brother, why it does not allow small letter TRUE?
Yeah, because small letter TRU is just a normal word. But the keyword, as you know, that Python is case sensitive, right? So it only accepts what is the same as the what is actual value. So the keyword for true, yeah, in actual Python, I didn't change anything. The Python itself is like that. So in Python, true must be always in capital letters because the keyword is like that. Even false is always like that. Even print also, it must be all in small letters. So why not just try putting the P as capital in the print? Yeah, now if you execute it, it won't run because it is case sensitive. And how the keyword is, in the same way you must do it. So as you can see, that's how we do it. So now you say you don't want to like the space is there, right? You don't want this space. You want something else. You want commas or you want these dashes in between it. So one way of doing it is that you type in the last you type SCP is equal to dash. Yeah,
Here,
just type.
for
Yeah, inside. Yeah.
SCP means
So
separate.
yes, exactly. I was going to explain that. So as you see, SCP means separate, as Tejasri said. So as you can see, where and all I put the commas, where and all I separated it, there and all it got filled with the dash. Oops, yeah, it got filled with the dash there. Can you see that? So you can use whatever value you want here. Instead of dash, you can put and or many spaces or no spaces or anything like that. That is one attribute of print, all right? So this much are the input that I'm giving. This much I'm giving, and this is saying you should do it like that. All right, separate. There are two of this, separate and end. These two, you can keep it in your mind. Remember it, okay? So separate and end. There's one more. You can type it now. So whatever else is, these are the values that I input. These are the conditions, or I'm saying you should do it like this. Already, so you can add end also now. Or before that, to the next line, add another print statement and just print hello. Yeah, so if you run the code, you'll see that it came in a new line, right? As you can see, it came in a new line. Why? Because the end means what will come in the last. Okay. After completing all these values, what will come here? That is the end thing. So, generally, if you don't give anything, if you don't give end, it'll take it as backward slash n. We learned it, right? New line. So that is why it is like backward slash n. Yes, Charvi?
Brother, while the print statement, can we write as many values as we can, or is there a limit to it?
There is no limit. The limit is how much you can type. That's all. You can type as much values as you want, and what these are optional. Okay. These things are optional. Even if you don't do it, it will still print. So here you can input whatever you want, how much long you want. You can still do it. If your computer and your keyboard can handle it, you can do it. Is that okay?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, so now as I was explaining, this ended with a slash n. But what if I don't want it to end in a slash n? I want to end it in the same line itself. There will be nothing here. In that case, add a end statement here. End is equal to, comma, end is equal to.
Here, right?
Yeah, there. And inverted commas and a blank space there. Yeah, add a comma there before end. Before end. Yeah. Yeah, if you run it now, you can run it. So as you can see, it ended with a space here and it printed hello. So it didn't end with a new line. So if it ends in a new line, then after this is over, it will go to the next line. Then hello will be printed. But I said to print in what is it, a blank space only. I didn't say slash in. So what it does is that only prints a blank space, and whatever I say next, it will do there. So is that clear? These were few extra knowledge for you. It might be useful in your project or anything. So just for that. All right. Is all clear for everyone?
Yes, brother.
Yes,
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah, okay. So this was just an extra information. Nothing, some parts that we missed in the actual class. Okay, see, in the next classes we'll go much deeper, don't worry. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. But for now, that's it. And I hope you guys will be able to do the project within next week. So, yeah, for now, we'll end the class. Thank you for staying. Uh,
Brother,
Brother,
yes,
will
Charlie.
you tell the names of who passed to level 3 within the next class or after next class?
That I'm not yet sure about. Maybe within the next class itself, because I have to wait for the reply from sir. Uh, so it depends on that. Maybe mostly within the next class. Is that okay?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, okay. Tejasri, yes, go on.
brother, what is
Yeah.
the submission date of project?
Yeah. So by next class, you have to submit it with your partner. Is that okay?
Okay, brother.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Any other doubts? Anything like that? Okay. So in that case, we'll end the class. Thank you for staying with me till now, and hope you have a great day. It's already night, but still all right. Yeah. Okay. See you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, brother.